Just for the hell of it, this is going to be a video of the American Standard heat pumps with my SLR. My Fujifilm waterproof camera is probably totaled. I have the fold-out screen. More flexibility than the Fujifilm. So here we go, out the breezeway. And I still haven't figured this out. I mean, this is pretty much the entire area that 5-ton seems to heat and cool. Unless there is some ductwork that goes up to the second or third floor that I do not know about. This is pretty much the entire area that unit right there heats and cools, right there. I'm thinking that this might cool part of the upstairs to heat and cool part of the upstairs as well, because, I mean, there's just no way they'd have a 5-ton for this small a space. Doesn't make any sense. And it looks like there used to be a heat pump here. Of course. That's it. That's why the, yeah, because there's an aerial picture of this house framed that they have hanging in the in one of the little hallways that was taken in the early to mid 80s. This house was built in 1981, and you can actually see the original air conditioner or heat pump where the 3-ton unit is now. It's a it appeared from the picture to be a GE Weathertron unit or a train, one of those two. And now the camera is actually staying recording. Excellent. So yeah, this house, I thought this house originally only had one and they added the second unit. But now I'm thinking that for whatever reason, there used to be a smaller unit over here. There was probably part of this, part of the downstairs area that wasn't finished when the house was originally built. And, yeah, what else would this be for? Unless it's for the garbage can, which makes little sense. Yeah, there used to be a heat pump there, I guarantee it. There's the kilowatt hour meter. And the design of this house, in my opinion, is reminiscent of the Swiss Family Robinson. I don't know how many of my viewers have seen that movie. It's a classic, by the way, you should see it. This house reminds me a lot of the Swiss Family Robinson. Alright, so yeah, this is the 5-ton unit from December of 2007 that's in better shape. And the damn thing is actually staying recording now. But yeah, as I was saying earlier, I think my Fujifilm is fried. Alright, so here we go, back down the breezeway. Gonna go up to the third floor and film the air handler momentarily. Nice view of the beach. Yeah, there is the back of the house. Actually, that is the only house I've seen on the beach that has rooftop units. I think those are American standards as well. Fire engine just drove by. Yeah, this is in the picture from the 80s that was taken from the air. This is where the original heat pump was located, or one of the original heat pumps. Alright, let's go look at the upstairs unit, or the air handler. Alright, I will be back. So here is one of the air handlers. So yeah, that is the air handler. That is the air handler. This is the view from the third floor back deck. And that Goodman's almost always running. That's only like the second time I've seen it not running. That's the heat pump at the house next door. Lots of gnats around here. Achoo! Golf cart. And I see a blazer. I see some cool vehicles to take pictures of. I'll be back.